How to save products for later in Aliexpress. Now, if you want to save or store items in your Aliexpress account to buy later, you just simply need to open any of your browser or the mobile application and open the website of aliexpress.com. And once you open that, you're going to see a bunch of products and options. From here you just simply need to select the product which you would like to save to buy later. For example, let's select this earbuds right here, and after you select that specific product in AliExpress, you are gonna see a lot of options, and one of those is this heart icon right here. In order to save it for later, tap to the heart button and it will be saved to your wish list. You can go back and go to your profile in order to see your saved option, which will be right here in the wish list. Tap into that and you can access it. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.